Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. So as you guys know, GATE 2024 is over. You have seen a lot of notification came in last few days from GATE 2023 scorecard, like NHPC you have seen, THDC you have seen, NALCO you have seen. Finally, good news is for GATE 2024 students. SAIL have given some number of vacancies and I am going directly to that. Recruitment of 245 posts for management trainee technical. Okay. So I am going for this notification. Just look at it. Okay. So we need to go to this advertisement, 249 post for, yes, you can see that advertisement is in front of you. Okay. This is official website I have opened in front of you. You can see Steel Authority of India Limited, Ispat Bhavan, Lodi Road, New Delhi. Recruitment of management trainee technical 249 in SAIL through GATE 2024. So guys, now I will be showing you with like for which branch, how many number of seats are there. You can see that they are asking for the post of management trainee technical, and from GATE 2024 grade will be E1 grade, and they have also mentioned that the candidate will be considered who have given the GATE 24 in either of the 8 engineering discipline, which are chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical and metallurgy. These are the paper code mentioned. Okay. So now you can see guys, we are moving further. So based on their performance in GATE 2024, the candidate will be shortlisted for appearing in a group discussion and personal interview for selection. So first GATE score, second is your group discussion, third will be personal interview. So these are the things going to happen. So tentative seats are 249. You can see for chemical 10 posts, for civil 21 posts, for computer 9 posts, for electrical 61. That is a, you can say, very big number. For electronics 5 seats, for instrumentation 11 seats, for mechanical 69, as usual their highest, metallurgy 63. 69 is a very good number guys. Okay. So this is a good opportunity for all the students. Okay. From chemical, civil, computer, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical and all. They have mentioned the detailed advertisement in the respect of mentioning inter-LI means like for mechanical posts, which branches are eligible. Production industrial BTech student is eligible or not. But mind it, maybe your BTech is from some other branch. Your GATE score will be taken for mechanical only for that post. Okay. So that is why I always recommend even a production student shall appear for GATE mechanical paper. Okay. They are saying that they will tell you about the eligibility conditions, selection procedure, application timeline, application process, and that will be coming on to the career page. Okay. The candidates would need to apply online on SAIL website along with their GATE registration number and other details in the career page. So obviously till now your GATE results are also did not come. So you have to apply after that only the dates will be coming, that when GATE result will be coming. The date will be coming after that only, but this was an early notification. So I told you that you need not to worry from when PSU will start taking. So SAIL have given the notification for GATE 2024 scorecard. So all the best guys and stay tuned with us. I hope soon other PSUs will give notification and we will be telling you on this channel. Goodbye guys for this particular video.